Pandiculation is our nervous system's natural way of waking up our sensorimotor system and preparing us for movement. Humans, along with all vertebrate animals, tend to automatically pandiculate when we wake up or when we've been sedentary for a while. If you've ever seen a dog or cat arch their back when they get up from a nap, or watched a baby stretch their arms and legs as they wake up, you've witnessed the pandicular response. It may look like a stretch, but when we pandiculate, we're actually contracting muscles that have been inactive. Pandiculation is our innate response to the sensations of lack of movement and to tension building up in our muscles, which often go hand in hand. Pandiculation sends biofeedback to our nervous system regarding the level of contraction in our muscles, thereby helping to prevent the buildup of chronic muscular tension. This is an extremely important function of the pandicular response. A pandiculation contracts and releases muscles in such a way that the gamma loop, a feedback loop in our nervous system that regulates the level of tension in our muscles, is naturally reset. This resetting reduces muscular tension and restores conscious, voluntary control over our muscles. Preventing the buildup of tension in our muscles is critical to maintaining healthy posture and movement throughout our lives.